watching Awaz Watan News. According to the report of Atta-ul-Rahman The Pakistani Mosque, Pakistani Madrasah, established in Hyderabad, is the Pakistani School that the spirited international Sufi Muhammad Pakistani, known as Mastan Shah Baba, following in the footsteps of his father, Sufi Muhammad Ramzan, known as Babuji Rahmatullah Alaihi, has been holding the right to Eid-ul-Adha for 15 years. Keeping Baba's tradition alive, this year also 2 animals were sacrificed on the occasion of Eid-ul-Adha for the martyrs of Pakistan Army, ISI, MI, unsung heroes, Pak Rangers, Pak FC on this occasion. International long-time Pakistani Sufi known as Mustan Shah Baba said that this tradition has been going on for the past 15 years. My father, who started this tradition, the respected Haq Baba Sufi Muhammad Ramzan, is a Pakistani. May Allah bless him and grant him his peace. After I have kept this tradition alive, and inshallah this tradition will continue to live after me. Faizan Ramadan Pakistani Mosque and Pakistani Madrasah, Faizan Ramadan Pakistani School, 2 animals were sacrificed on the occasion of Eid-ul-Adha for 15 years, and all the meat was distributed among the deserving people. International Sufi, a long-time Pakistani known as Mastan Shah Baba, further said that if it is my choice, I will sacrifice my children for the sake of the dear country of Pakistan and the forces of Pakistan.
जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं बाबा सूफी मुहम्मद रमज़ान का बेटा सूफी मद्रास पाकिस्तानी। हर साल की तरह इस साल भी 15वां साल हो गया है। पाक फौज के शहीदों के लिए ये हमारे मुर्शिद पाक हक बाबा सूफी मुहम्मद रमज़ान ने एक काविश की थी, जो अपनी ज़िंदगी से जो ये आजिज़ और हम लोग लेकर चल रहे हैं इसको। तो तमाम पाकिस्तानी कौम से एक ही मैसेज है कि अपने शोधाओं को याद रखें, जिसकी वजह से अल्लाह और नबी के बाद ये मुल्क हमारा कायम और दायम है। ये इसाले सवाब अफवाज पाकिस्तान, ISI, MI, पाक रेंजर्स, गुमनाम यूनिवर्सिटी, पाक पुलिस, इस तमाम शोधाओं के लिए, क्योंकि उन शोधाओं का कर्ज हम नहीं उतार सकते। उन शोधाओं की वजह से आज हम नमाज भी अदा कर रहे हैं इस पाकिस्तान में सुकून से। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाक फौज जिंदाबाद, ताजदार खत्म नबूवत जिंदाबाद, वतन या कफन।